This section is the Malawiana collection. It is the publications on Malawi or by Malawians, comprising of theses, dissertations, reports, and other pamphlets, scientific papers. Now we started scanning this. We started scanning this, especially especially the theses and dissertations. We also have scanned the past exams. We have also scanned the students, especially the undergraduate students' degree projects, and the Malawiana in general, that is the rest of the Malawiana. We are scanning it. So to show that at least that something has been scanned, we're gonna check to see. We have put a sign GS, meaning that that publication has been scanned. However, we still have got to OCR our documents. We have just acquired the OCR software, so we'll go through all the documents which we have scanned and do the OCRing, so that we see whether they are of good quality. It is also an effort to ensure quality control of the scanned documents. Yeah, so essentially that's that. That is this from here to that end there. These are the documents on Malawi or by Malawians. And for the scanning, we use that scanner over there with the computer which is there. We have 3 of these scanners, including the one which we just bought in the current project, and the other one I bought last year for the same, and we have an old one I have shown you.